cat light itself, and we have the animator in place here. And on this animator, we can see there's actually quite a few animations actually. Idle A, B, run and walk. So we can play around with these now that we have them and create our own animator rather than using the existing one. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Let's right click over here first of all on assets and create a new folder, and let's call it animators. And in here we're going to create our cat animator. So if you don't know, the animator controller just controls the different animations and which ones are playing based off of different script calls like triggers and so on. So we can use this to change when the cat's maybe walking towards you or looking around and so on. Let's call this cat controller. Let's call it cat AR controller. And when we open this up, it's completely empty. There's an exit one and there's any entry here. I'm gonna go back into the animator here, into the, I guess that's what the model. So the model is where the animations are kept, and I'm gonna place in idle A, idle B, and I'm also gonna load our original scene back in and remove the cat light demo. We don't need that. So we have our idle A and idle B. So let's have a look at idle A. Click on idle A. I can actually press play and see what he's doing there. Okay, nothing amazing, but it's exactly what we need. Oh, okay, so idle B is looking around. So what we could do, for example, let's just say is we could have the cat. It's always a good idea to plan out what you're going to do before you do it. So let's just have the example that for now, when we place our cat down on the floor, we'll do a few different things. Let's just do the basic one is you place the cat down on the floor and it just looks left and right every so often. And that's going to be pretty easy. We'll select idle A to idle B and then select idle B back to idle A, and these will automatically trigger. We won't have to do anything really more than that. And if we go back to our cat prefab, which is here, and we will see that the animator, there's nothing there, so we can go into our animators folder and place our cat controller there. So I could play this now. I'm not going to test this on the device immediately because I'm pretty sure this will work. I'm going to take this a little bit further before I test it on the device. What I'm going to do now is just change our existing example controller hello AR controller code. At the moment, what we have is a situation where